Pleasant good morning, everyone. This is Ken McNack with the MOV Weather and your morning briefing for Friday, April 3rd, 2026. Stationary front once again is going to settle somewhere near or north of US 50, resulting in a great disparity in high temperatures. Highs which could range between the middle 70s and the middle 80s, but could shift depending on the position of the front. I have variably cloudy skies today with some showers and storms. Wind southwest 10 to 15, gusting to 30 at times. We also have a marginal risk, that's level 1 of 5, for severe weather later today between 2 and 8 p.m. More discrete cells than what are currently out there as of 9:20 a.m. on Friday, April 3rd. But the models have not handled this morning all that well. So if they're getting in data that isn't reflective of the current situation, then we need to monitor the situation closely, because either this activity is going to rain it out, or the other alternative is that we are close enough to the front anyway where some more storms could easily develop. So I'll be monitoring this all day, and I will be live if any storms become severe. But just keep it in mind, there is a chance of severe weather today. 5% risk for wind and hail within 25 miles. That is classified as severe. The tornado risk is very low. Can never rule it out completely when you have a risk like this, but it is not even registering on their board. Your day planner for today, as of 9 a.m. at MOV Regional Airport, it was 68 degrees with some rain, south-southwest winds at 14, gusting to 20. Expect those gusts to get closer to 30 as we get into the afternoon. We have partly to mostly sunny skies for a few hours. Low 80s in Parkersburg, closer to mid 80s south, closer to mid 70s north. Then chance of storms returns at about 2 p.m. Winds continue to be out of the southwest, but as the day goes on, the winds, sustained at least, get lighter. By the time we get to 7 p.m., southwest winds are more along the lines of 4 to 8, with gusts closer to 20 rather than 30. Sunrise this morning was at 7:07 a.m., sunset tonight 7:52 p.m., day length 12 hours, 45 minutes. Your next 36 hours after today, tonight, isolated storms, partly cloudy otherwise, lows in the lower 60s. Tomorrow, mostly sunny, maybe some storms late, but that line that's expected as the front finally clears the region, the timing is more toward evening, but since it could get into the late afternoon, I have to include the chance of storms here. And really, that should be more like 30%, and I'm not even going to edit that. But highs near 90. And tomorrow night, showers and storms, likely lows in the middle 50s. That won't even be your high for tomorrow. Actually, whatever it is at midnight will be your high for tomorrow. Marginal severe risk both today and tomorrow. I know there's a slight risk to the north of Parkersburg, which I'll get more into later. But Parkersburg itself is under the marginal. So that's what this particular slide is for. This is for Parkersburg specifically. You can add and subtract degrees based on your location. But for now, this is Ken McNatt with the MOV Weather, wishing you a great day, and please remain weather aware. I'm going to do that segment again. Your 36-hour forecast for tonight, isolated storms, otherwise partly cloudy, lows in the low 60s. Tomorrow, mostly sunny with perhaps some storms late in the afternoon, although they may hold off till evening. Highs near 90. And for tomorrow night, showers and storms possible, lows in the mid 50s. And your high for tomorrow, not tomorrow, Sunday, Easter Sunday, whatever the temperature is at midnight, that's probably going to be your high for Sunday. This is Ken McNabb with the MOV Weather, wishing you a great day, and please remain weather aware.